3 years ago, I decided to do something stupid. I decided to see Trump in person. So I flew to South Carolina to sneak into one of his rallies in style. I dressed up like a true American and went to see Trump and all the other Republicans running for president. I started with Ben Carson.
And there are certain values and principles.
He was boring. Then I went to Ted Cruz.
And isn't afraid to say so to anyone and everyone. Talk about
He was too slow. Then Marco Rubio.
That I will defend and protect and uphold the Constitution of the United States.
He was too scripted. And then Donald Trump. He was different.
Donald Trump, we in South Carolina, we in Nevada, we in the Republican nomination. Look at the size of this crowd.
And that's why he fascinates me. His rally was like a full-on show. Full of excitement and energy. His music was energizing and his words were simple. The whole time, he never said even one complicated word.
Who is going to pay for the wall? Who?
Instead of employment, he says jobs. Instead of legislation, he says law. He used language so easy anyone could understand. The old grandpa and the young kids.
Next for stop on the Trump.
All of them got his message, even if it was fake.
I'm a Donald Trump supporter. I believe that Donald will make America great again.
At the Trump rally, I saw ignorance, but above all, I saw excitement. It really was a fun rally.
Now we have a Trumplicant.
I don't support Trump, but I do support the way Trump communicates. All the other candidates we saw were so boring, so scripted. Everybody almost fell asleep listening to them lead.
Something incredibly special about the nation in which we live in. We should be incredibly grateful for it.
That makes no sense. And this isn't just Republicans. Democrats do it all the time. The way they speak is just too boring or too complicated for the average voter. Instead of jobs, they say, we passed Act number 578983, and no one really knows what that act is. Politicians in the United States and outside of it need to create a better version of Trump. Trump of the left. One that can tell a message so simple a 5-year-old can understand and stand behind. A message about love and unity, not about hate and division. At the end of the rally, South Carolina went to vote, and Trump won by a wide margin. Then he won the elections and changed the world. It was not surprising. Politicians need to step it up and change the way they communicate, because maybe then we can fix the mess we are in right now. YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice, and with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there's real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. Give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.